Seta County, China, December 11th, 2015. In the southeast region of the Tibetan Plateau, renowned Tibetan Buddhist monk Lama Thupsur has been in a state of continuous meditation for 7 straight days. Engaged in a practice that is said to go back some 10,000 years. He is attempting to attain what is known as the rainbow light body. Tibetan Buddhists believe that through meditation practices like this, it is possible to access alternate realms, and that this may be where the kingdom of Shambhala truly exists.
You will find people within Tibetan Buddhist tradition who believe that Shambhala is an actual place, but it may be what we might call an interdimensional place. So it cannot be accessed through ordinary material techniques, but it exists in another dimension, so to speak.
Is it possible that the concept of the rainbow light body holds the key to reaching an alien realm that exists on Earth? And is there any evidence that such a transformative process could actually take place? Recently, scientists have discovered that the human body, particularly in the brain, naturally produces light in the form of biophotons.
The average person emits 14 to 20 photons by centimeter square per second. This is very, very low. But in a state of meditation, you are able to raise that number by 100,000 photons per centimeter square per second, which is extremely bright. This tells us that when we are in a higher state of consciousness, our bodies emit a huge amount of light. And perhaps that is the reason why we call it enlightenment.
Tibetan Buddhists say that when a highly trained priest commits himself to attainment of the rainbow light body, his material body will fade away. Photographs taken by those in attendance on the 7th day of Lama Thupsur's meditation provide an incredibly rare documentation of this sacred process. As his breathing stops and his physical body begins to die, it dramatically decreases in size. According to the monks, he is dissolved into light. And a final photograph reveals a beam of light shooting up into the sky from the site of his transformation.
Tibetan, we believe they left to the enlightenment or left to the pure land. We can transplant any other different universals, not only this earth.
In the Tibetan tradition, they tell us that once a Lama has achieved this state of being, that they're able to then travel to 12 star systems where this teaching is taught that are all connected with the earth, and that beings come and go, bringing this teaching and enlightening all other civilizations they come into contact with. The rainbow light body, it is an extraterrestrial teaching that was imported to Earth from other star systems. Right now, very few make the efforts to learn how to expand consciousness and to interact with our parallel dimensions. But the future is to bring the worlds together. This is what the biblical tradition teaches when it says, everyone will know the truth. There will be enlightenment for all.
Could it be that high in the mountains of Tibet, there is a gateway into another dimension? And if so, is it possible that this alternate realm can only be accessed through a state of enlightenment? Perhaps as science begins to understand more about human consciousness, we will learn what the Tibetan masters have known for centuries.